Google has revealed 5 official ways to use VEO 3.1 for free and unlimited. There are more methods out there, but today you'll learn these 5 powerful ones. You can create 8-second AI videos with no watermark, completely free, and generate as many videos as you want every day, no limits at all. And everything you're seeing on your screen right now, these 8-second videos with no watermark, high-quality output, I created all of them for free using these exact methods. The crazy part? These methods are actually provided by Google itself, but most people still don't know about them. Since Grok AI shut down its free plan, Google has expanded access to VEO 3.1 across multiple platforms, allowing you to use one of its most powerful video generators for free. So let's start with the first method. You'll find the links for all of these in my Telegram channel, so you can come here from there. First method, Google Vids. All the methods shown in this video are official Google methods, and each one is better than the other. When you come to this website, you'll see multiple options here, but on the top side there's a sign-up option, and there's also another option here with it. Click on this and first create an account. Creating the account is a bit difficult, so watch it carefully. Now all the Gmail accounts on your device will show up here. Just select anyone and that's it. Your account will be created. Now here you'll see many AI tools, and from here we'll select VEO 3.1. Here you can generate video from images, and you can also generate video from text. But first, we'll try generating video from text. For that, make sure VEO 3.1 is already selected. If you want to create videos in YouTube Shorts aspect ratio or in long aspect ratio, you can select all of that from here. After that, we'll paste our prompt here. But if you look here, the option to generate video from image is not enabled yet. I'll tell you how to enable it later. Now, as soon as you paste the prompt, click on generate, and your video will start generating. In all the tools I'm going to show in this video, the maximum video creation time is around 3 minutes. But with this method, the video generates the fastest. And now, within just a few seconds, if you look below, our video has already been generated. Click on it, and the video will start playing on the side. But now there are 2 ways to download the video here. First, click on File, which you'll see on the top side. Here you'll get the download option. Click on it and download as MP4, and the video will be saved in your gallery. But there's one problem here. The video gets saved, but it doesn't play. The video length is 5 seconds, and when you try to play it, you'll just see a white screen and nothing else. So the second method is the best. What you need to do is long press on it, and you'll get the download option. Click on it, and your video will be saved in your gallery.
Brace
and when you
for
play
impact.
it,
Hold on to the ropes! The hull is breached! We're going under!
it will run in high quality with sound. So now we've learned how to generate video from text. Now let's see how you can generate it from an image. Here, you need to check everything. VEO 3.1 should be selected, and now click here and select the animate image option. As soon as you select it, you'll see that the image upload option gets enabled. Now click here, select whatever aspect ratio your image has, and then paste the prompt to animate the image above. The previous one will already be there, just delete it. After doing all this, directly click on Generate, and your video will start generating. The methods I'm going to show ahead using VEO 3.1 are even more powerful than this, and one of them is actually my personal favorite that I use. Now our video has been generated. Let's play it and see how it turned out. But before that, let's download it. The level of quality this method gives you in video, you won't find that in any other method. However, this glitch, like the character's body changing or the environment shifting, this exists in every VEO 3.1 model. Now the next tool. Here you can use VEO 3.1 along with Grok AI and many other image and video generation tools for free. For that, search Gemini Gen AI on Chrome browser. The kind of high-quality videos you see playing in the background here. You can generate videos like that here. But before that, you'll need to create an account, so click on Sign Up at the top. Now this platform has started verifying whether we're human or AI. After that, click on Continue with Google. All the emails on your phone will appear here. Click on any Gmail and create your account. Since this is Gemini's official website, there's nothing to worry about. Now as soon as you come here, first go to VideoGen. We're already there. Below, you'll see VEO 3.1 available, and you'll also find many video generator tools here for free. If you want to know which ones are free, click on Status at the top. Now the list you'll see, all the ones marked in green are free. You'll also get Seedance 2 here for free. Now we'll go back to the studio. To generate video, first make sure video is selected here, and then click here and select VEO 3.1 Fast, which is the best model. Below you'll see the option to upload an image, but you can't create video from image here. I'll tell you why in a bit. But before that, let's understand how to create video from text. So directly paste your text prompt here, and from here select whether you want a vertical video or horizontal. After that, select 720p. If you choose 1080p, you won't be able to generate videos with 0 credits. you'll have to buy premium. So after selecting 720p, directly click on Generate. Now if you look at the top, your video will start generating. It takes around 1.5 to 2 minutes to generate the video here. And once your video is generated, you can click on the 3 dots and download it. Let's see how this video turned out. Honestly, it's even better than what we expected. And when the character jumps into the water in first person, even the sound feels like Minecraft water sound. Now let's see why you can't generate video from image here. When you upload an image, add a prompt to convert it into video and click on Generate, you'll get this kind of error. It says you'll need to purchase premium, so you can't generate image to video for free here, but you can generate unlimited videos from text with this. There are many other tools here that you can use for free. Now the next method, you can use it in 2 ways. Either search Gemini Enterprises or Gemini Business. In both, the process of creating an account and generating video will be the same. Apart from that, you'll also find the link on Telegram, so you can come here from there as well. Here, we'll click on Try 30 Days Free Trial. On the Enterprise's website, you get a 30-day free trial, and in Gemini Business, you can generate videos for a lifetime with a single account, so use whichever you prefer. Now here, click on Add Another Account and create a new account. You can also create an account using Temp Mail, which is the easiest method. To create an account with Temp Mail, open a new tab in Chrome and search Temp Mail. After copying the Temp Mail you get here, come back to this tab and paste it here. Now an OTP will be sent to your Gmail, so go back to the email tab and you'll find the OTP sent by that website. After copying it, come back here again, paste it, and click on Verify. Now you'll need to enter a good name. Just put your name, move forward, and your account will be created. The interface will feel somewhat like ChatGPT. Now let's see how you can generate unlimited videos from here. For that, click here, and you'll find many Google tools available for free. But since we want to create videos, we'll select VEO 3.1. Now paste the prompt here and press enter. That's it. Your video will start generating. Sometimes when there's heavy traffic on this website, you might see an error like this. Don't do anything. Just paste the prompt again and hit enter. And after a short while, your video will be generated, which you can download by clicking here. Let's watch the video now. This one is also created with a lot of detail, and the scene transitions in the video are really good too. Now let's see how you can generate video from an image on this platform. First, click on the plus icon and upload the image you want to convert into video. Then paste the prompt to animate it here and press enter. That's it. Within a few seconds, your image to video will be ready, which you can play and check how it turned out. And from this platform too, you can generate unlimited videos. This is Google's official method, so there's nothing to worry about. Now the method I'm about to show is personally my favorite too, and I use it to create my own videos. For that, click on the Opal Google link in Telegram, or you can search and come here as well. Now, creating an account here is a bit different, but why? For that, first click on Try Opal Now. Now you'll see an option like Try Opal. Click on it. Here, you cannot create an account using Temp Mail. After clicking on Try Opal, all the Gmail accounts on your phone will appear. Click on any Gmail, then click on Continue. Now on this page, it will ask for some permissions. Allow all of them and move forward. Only then you'll be able to generate unlimited videos from here. Now when we click on Continue, we'll be directly redirected to this page where many creators have built their own tools and published them here. You can use them for free if you want. But we want to generate our own videos, so for that, click on Create Now. Here, you can create videos from both image and text, but first, we'll see how to create videos from text, because that's the first step. First, click on Generate at the top. Now a small tab will open on the side. Here you'll see the agent option. Click on it. Now below, we'll select VEO. So that's step 1 done. Now you'll see the advanced settings option below. Click on it. Then click here and make sure to select VEO 3.1. It's very important because only this will give you high quality videos. Now the setting below is the most important. You can select the aspect ratio you want for your video from here. So after these simple settings, now we'll paste our video prompt here and then to submit it, meaning to generate it, we'll click on Preview at the top. Now you'll see the Start option here. Clicking on it will begin the video generation. Just like the previous website, here too, it takes around 1.5 to 2 minutes to generate one video, and a lot of people have already joined our Atom crew. If you also want to join our Atom crew, then subscribe to this channel right now, because this channel is very important for you. I keep bringing videos like this here, and just like that, while we were talking, our video has already been generated, but it's in a small tab. If we click on App at the top, it will open in a larger view. Now click on the 3 dots here and hit download, and the video will be saved.
Hard to port. Brace for impact.
Look out, we're gonna hit! Get below deck!
Mayday! Mayday! We have sustained heavy damage.
From here as well, videos are generated in very high quality and look amazing. Now suppose you want to generate a video in YouTube Shorts aspect ratio. For that, select 9:16 from here, which is the Shorts aspect ratio. Now when we go to preview, you'll see our previous video here, but the start option isn't showing. For that, you'll see a refresh option at the top. Click on it, and then you'll get the start option. As soon as you click on it, your video will start generating, and it will be in high quality. To download this as well, we'll go into the app, download it, and this video is also very impressive and high quality, just like the previous one.
Hard to starboard. They're not turning. Brace for impact.
Now, if you want to generate video from an image here, the method is a bit different. For that, first click on User Input. Now a small tab will open in front of you. So we'll adjust both of these small tabs like this, and connect this tab to the Generate tab like this. Now we'll click on the User Input tab. Go below to Advanced Settings and select Image. But where to upload the image, I'll tell you in a moment. Before that, remove the previous text-to-video prompt here and paste the image to video prompt. After checking all the settings, click on Preview. After doing this, check the connection once on the side because sometimes it disconnects, so reconnect it if needed. Now as soon as we click on Start here, the option to upload an image will appear. To upload the image, click on the plus icon and upload your image. Simple. Now as soon as the image is uploaded, press Enter directly, and your image to video will start generating. In just 2 minutes, your video will be ready, which you can download using the previous methods. Now let's see how our video turned out. There's a slight glitch in this video, but this problem has always been there in VEO 3.1. From here as well, you can generate unlimited videos, and you won't see any watermark on any video. Now the last method is the one most short creators are using right now, because it's the fastest and the most powerful method. For that, you'll need to download an application called YouTube Create from the Play Store. Here as well, we'll create an account using any Gmail ID. Now since we want to create a video, we'll click on Create Project. After allowing all the permissions it asks for, we'll come to this screen. Now here you need to paste your video generation prompt, but keep in mind, the prompt should not be more than 900 characters. So for now, I'll convert this 1200 character prompt into a 900 character prompt and paste it here. Now click on Generate, and this is where the fastest video generation happens. Within just a few seconds, your video will be ready. When you play it, you'll see it's generated in very high quality. If you want to generate video from an image on this platform, you don't have to do much. Just click on Generate Video. Now click here and upload your image. Here, you can generate video using 3 images: first frame, middle frame, and last frame, but we'll generate it using just 1 image. Now paste the prompt to animate that image here and click on Generate, and within a few seconds, this tool will convert your image into a video, which turns out really impressive. You can easily create videos up to 1 to 1.5 minutes long here. If you want to download it, click on the video, then you'll see an option here. Click on it. Now you can see that you can download it in 4K quality at 60 FPS, which you won't get in any other AI tool. So these were the 5 methods you can use to generate videos using VEO 3.1. All official Google methods, so there's no risk at all. And if you want to learn about alternatives to Grok AI, which are really powerful tools, then definitely watch that video. This one is specially for you.